Hi, this is Diana for expertvillage.com, and today we're making a copper plant hanger for your backyard. So we have our copper pieces cut, and where we're going to solder them together, we flattened the edges, and now we're going to use what we call Flux. In this little pot is a material that's kind of pasty, and it's the substance that conducts the heat onto your metal. So without this, your metal will not stick together. So I'm going to take a little bit of the flux on my toothpick, and I'm going to get my piece of metal and rub it on the places where the metal needs to stick together with the solder. So I've got the outside of one of these and the inside of the other one, so that my flat pieces can be soldered together. We're going to solder them together like this. And with my other piece, this is one of the little tendrils, so I'm going to put some on the end here. And I know that this is going to stick to my larger piece about right in the center. So I need to put some flux on also right in the center, where I'm going to be soldering that together. Any place that you need your metal to stick together, it has to have the flux first, or they will not stick.